Activating Paysafecard Mastercard is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To activate a Paysafecard Mastercard, you typically need to follow these steps. You can buy a Paysafecard Mastercard at various retail locations or online. It comes preloaded with funds. Once you have the card, go to the Paysafecard website and find the activation section. Next, you will need to enter the 16-digit card number and the CVV located on the back of the card. If you haven't already, you need to set up an account on the Paysafecard website. This usually involves providing some personal information and creating a username and password. Follow the prompts to activate your card. This involves confirming your identity and agreeing to terms and conditions. Once activated, your Paysafecard Mastercard is ready to use for online and in-store purchases wherever Mastercard is accepted. You can manage your card, check your balance, and view transactions online or through the Paysafecard mobile application.